And kahit anong sabihin nyo guys, pag ang boxer, listen to this. Pag ang boxer po, kahit sinong kalaban, ganyan ang knockout ratio, ibig sabihin talagang may dating. Ito, delikadong laban to para kay Yumir. I'm telling you guys, this is a big scary fight for Ymir. Sino una makatama dito? I mean, honestly speaking, sino una makatama, siya mananalo. This guy is a knockout artist, 100% knockout ratio. Yung Eddie Colmenares who's gonna visit us has a 100% knockout ratio. So this is not an easy fight. This will be the toughest fight yet of Yumir Felix Marshall. If I am to actually give an odds on this one, yung una tingin nyo, kala nyo lamang si Yumir, I do not think na baka 50-50 rin ang tingin ko dito. Baka dahil sa experience nito ni Eddie, baka lamang siya as a professional. And this is 10 rounds of boxing. 10 rounds na po ito ha, para kay Yumir Marshall. Never pa siya umabot ng 10 rounds. This is the first 10-round fight of Yumir Marshall. So yun yung dalawang bagay na sa tingin kong very importante po na kailangan ma-focus ni Yumir Marshall sa laban na ito. And that's why I'm telling you guys, this is a must-watch. Yung Trila in Manila event, this is gonna be may mga matitinding laban talaga. I hope Yumir Marshall wins, but Yumir, mahirap tong laban na to. Huwag ka papahuli dito dahil posibleng maka-knockout din tong kalaban mo.